Now let's see question number 4. Question number 4 is just to figure out which model represents cut 30% of the ribbons. So from the whole line, we see that we have 0 through 1. As we know that 1 is equal to 100%. Say if we wanted to prove that 1 equals, say 1 is 1 over 1. And then we wanted to write it as a percent. 1 times 100, 1 times 100, we got 100 over 100. So 1 is 100%. So this is the place of 100%. This is the place of 0%. So if we keep that in mind, then we will look at every single model. We'll see that what part is count out. So let's count the parts. From 0 to 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts. So if we have 10 parts, it is the one whole. So the first one, we count how many parts do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 parts. So now if we have 3 parts out of 10 parts, and now we wanted to change it into decimal, and then over 1 times 100 times 100. So that is 30 over 100, which is 30%. So this is the easiest question. This is the answer. And the rest, we just take a quick look. But choice B, we may have something more than 9 parts. So that should be 90-something%. Choice 1, we have C, we have only like half the way of 1 part, so that could be 0 and 5/10%. The last one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts counting, so that should be 40%. So those are not correct. Let's look at question 5. Question 5, we have that says, Miss Ao went to teacher's store. The rulers are on sale at 9/10 of the original price. What is the percent of 9/10? So just the same way, we still change it into decimal, and then it is over 1 times 100 times 100. So I got 90 out of 100. So it is 90%. So most of my students got this one correct. Let's look at question 6. This is another easy question. So that says Dr. G did a survey. The result shows that the average price of a lunch in schools is $2.14 or $2.14. What is the decimal form of this number? So this means we need to change this mixed number into a decimal. So what do? We have the whole part, we keep the whole part to here. So the whole part still be 2, and then things behind it to the right of it is a fraction. We need to have a decimal here. Now what we need to do is change the fraction to decimal. So 1 divided by 4 we have that's the end. So when we see the decimals, we match the two decimals together, and then we see that the whole part will be 2 and the decimal part is 25 hundredths. That's it.